subscribe, and then turn the notification on to get notified about every new lesson which I upload in this channel every day. Hello guys, welcome back to a new Korean lesson with Language Animated channel. We have learned Korean vowels, which are basic vowels and combined vowels, and I hope you have learned them well. In this video, we will learn Korean basic consonants. There are 14 consonants, and also we have 5 combined consonants. But in this video, we will only learn basic consonants. What's basic consonants? Basic consonants are those consonants which are used at the beginning, okay? I will show them line by line so that you will learn them correctly. In the beginning consonants, we have 3 kinds of consonants. First, normal. The second, aspirated consonants. And lastly, tense consonants, which is also called double consonants. Okay, let's start the lesson so that you will understand what I mean. And don't forget to take notes always, okay? I will keep saying the alphabets one by one and explain a little bit about the pronunciation, okay? K, K, N, N, T, T, L, L, M, M, P, P, S, S, This character doesn't have any value when it comes in the beginning, but it has value when it comes at the ending. So you will not understand now, but you will understand in the future. Just keep learning and I will explain them in the future videos. Next, T, T. So let's repeat them again. K, K, N, N, T, T, L, L, M, M, P, P, S, S, Z, Z. Now there are 5 other consonants which have aspirated sound, as I told you before. When you pronounce aspirated consonants, you will pronounce like a little breath comes from your mouth. Okay? There are 5 aspirated consonants. First, K. You know, a little K. The next, T. T. The third one, P. P. Fourth, this doesn't have any value when it comes in the beginning, but at the ending it has value. It sounds like H. You know, H. And the last one is T. T. A little breath comes from your mouth. So these are 5 aspirated sounds. You can see they look same. And next we have doubled consonants, which are tensed sound. It will block your tongue when you are pronouncing them. Don't worry, at the end I will summarize all the alphabets so that you can understand the difference between them, okay? So we have 5 tense sounds. K. K. Remember, the first one was K, the second one was K, and the third one is K. It's tensed, you know, it's tensed sound. K. Next one is T. T. Third one is P. P. Fourth one, S. S. And the last one is T. It's like, it's not G, it's not G, it's T. T. Now I will bring all the consonants at the screen and then I will pronounce one by one so that you can see the difference from first to the last. K, K, N, N, T, T, L, L, M, M, P, P, S, S, E, E, T, T, K, K, T, T, P, P, H, H, T, T, G, G, D, D, B, B, S, S, Z, Z. So these were the alphabets and the pronunciation and a little bit explanation of them. Now watch the live recorded video to learn how to write them. I hope you got them all. If you didn't understand still or you have any question, feel free to ask me your questions in the comments section and I will try to answer you as soon as possible, okay? Please like this video and also share. And of course, subscribe for more upcoming interesting lessons in Korean language. Thanks for watching.